Alright, I figured I'd make a video about the progress of this boat. So right now we are kind of fixing all the little patch spots. I think maybe all these were leaking, or like he just wanted to make sure they weren't. This was kind of peeling up. I think it's just like some, actually I don't really know what that is. Some sort of plastic, I think. Maybe not. I'm not really sure. I don't know. That's really weird. It's a weird material. It's not like plastic. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure. But anyways, it was peeling up. So I'm gonna start peeling up this if it's peeling. Sand it down, and then I'm gonna put some Flex Seal on it. I mean, they had those commercials, you know. You can cut out the inside of a boat and then Flex Seal it together. So that's what we're gonna do. And this is where the leaking spot was. So I think this might be like some JB Weld or something. Ooh, that is not looking good. I think I'm gonna leave that. Sand that down. Get all the dirt on it, and then put a ton of Flex Seal on it. Maybe right there also. Not sure I want to destroy it too much, but get a good grip on there. And then maybe just some little spots like this might be another spot. I might just go over it. We'll see. But yeah, there's little tiny spots, and then I'm gonna somehow plug these holes in the back, because I did get my trolling motor, $20, and then my new battery. This is the most expensive part. It was like I think it was $100. That was $8 battery box. And then I already had this fish finder, Garmin. I had that on my kayak. It was nice. So I'm gonna hook all this stuff up. We should be good to go. I might permanently put that in there somewhere. It'd be kind of nice. Yeah. So I'll show you the process. Alright, so it's definitely a little bit more damage than I thought, and this is actually like aluminum patch or something. So I sanded that down. It looked like there's a hole right there or something. I just sanded these down just to I'm just gonna go over to get with some Flex Seal. And then this was coming up, so I sanded that down. This is kind of like it's coming apart, but I'm gonna put some JB Weld right there to keep it there. And then back here, again where I found the aluminum patch, it looks like. So I'm gonna put some just JB Weld right there. Hopefully it does well. And then I'm gonna Flex Seal over the top of it. And I think I'm just gonna Flex Seal this whole thing right here, and then up there. And then we'll see if it floats. Hopefully I didn't make any bigger holes. So, yep. Good old JB Weld. Alright, so we're done. These are all the patches we got going on. Kind of all over. And then I patched these holes too. I'm gonna sand those down, make them look nice. Oh, I might need to redo that one a little bit. Mix these in a little bit better actually. And then, I didn't have any leaks up here, but that one looks like a big hole, so I kind of put that on there. Doesn't look pretty, but the whole boat doesn't look pretty, so we'll wait like 4 hours and then put some Flex Seal all over it. So after looking this boat over a little bit, saw this NJ, which means New Jersey. So where it was freaking licensed last. But yeah, there's the patches I did. So pretty nice little boat. Alright, so
So we're out on the water. I don't see any leaks up there. But it looks like to be holding up pretty well. I just put on this little tiny pond in my neighborhood to start with. But yeah, I think she's ready for a little trolling motor back there, and